Ebusia for GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba. Hadia latest and hot news and qua enabede Bremo. I don't see so we subscribe to channel ya. Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click a subscribe button. Now wabele a notification. Or yes, a new video be uploaded on with the first person was Sabeka a video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now for share my or for so that when you be here now and somewhere a coso a wagana memo hanum. I feel you pray yeah and somewhere abeto yep no so. Yinti a year some komoya about 2 years answer me yinti.
May you listen about me person so because I'm team. The catcher says it's why Jenny a auto no want to say ton Jenny. Had you fatty the cars at him no. I sound the court na fi MP from penny phone number actually no more pay ancho. Moi Ahmed Suale. Then the Kennedy Agyapong and about that young man. In any case, let's assume that everything Kennedy Agyapong said about him is true. Should we encourage say obi nkunu? Must we encourage that? And the gentleman was shot, killed, just like that. Besin ne, area saying, Brafie, Dimachi, Nana, we are at hospital. I don't know them more. Because we are not hospital, when in the West, I was so yare. But we are at hospital. Doctor now, Unimno, Obano, Ofa, Unimno, what you come say, Doctor now, or show your friend Sule, or a tenny. Mewa. Are you serious? Say Doctor no hell no. Your friend in York or your Fantini, but we are Santini. Ah? What you come say? Doctor no hell your friend Tete. One watch man will be your friend Tete da. What in crying? Doctor no show your friend Ajamai. Your friend say wa bonsu. Dentist no choose no your friend NAPO. Huh? What is Central Region Cape Coast? Doctor now show your friend Seriam. Also, what a voter region. Doctor now show your friend Quasin. What it means is that a minor your woman no. You doing your minor home. Oh, tribe and your baby out free. Any party I war. Eh? I don't say police for the soldier for immigration, fire service. We need so many academy the edge. I don't know baby. But you see, they are asking us to say it. To say it. Why? Because Ghana highway say Central to become Ghana sem. Sefaka in Wayemumu, I am sorry, but on Kasa, you can't takrama. Menana Kweku Bichem with 104. But who didn't chair me. Sayana Kofo be some say we energy free here. Kwashame na be ma jeans nim. Ho na be hu baby am energy free. Otu be fubi wo sika ho. Osi kwadwo nam se grandpa. E ya hweye ne sika ntwo. Wonti ase me kan ye mu ati ase. Kwadwo se grandpa. Brana wara le kobon. Ejo panyin na chi. Kufo na di na echi edi na echi a besine na owala lesa kwa ka edi na echi bi oyi iya hweye na sika entwo etase o se brana me kobo no me di kufo echi saa na me da san di na echi ba brabo na me kobo no me hwe ye na sika entwame hwese sika twawa ehu che ndoma machine wonim se sika timi twa ebetimi e prawo. Money can wound you. Money can injure you badly. And no medical practitioner under the sun can repair the scar. Presenters are kasi wo krom ha nyina sike twa won. When sike twa pe, you will lose your glory. Won obi anabrabo the new nyama yire bia yiska opa for any to form. O niska o ye na wo free the chem so say me kokote akotwempra na o niska ba na be faka owe hwe man na no aduane makuru mama no okoton ade na onye sika kakra no oba na egba akohoma sister Jai Jimi no no oba anyi chop money yen ka no krenche Ghana for no interest oba anyi chop money be ma na yiye oba ntua school fees be ma na tua school fees oba ntua light bill be ma na tua oba ntua water bill be ma na tua oba ntua danka be ma na tua enye oba na ton dross ne Brazil e be ma na eto se nyame ye wadom na wunye oba ono atimi ton dross utua school fees ba ko no watua bia ma wa he ese okwa asoro na okwa sika koda nyame ase nyame ache gold sike chasinia journalist wokrum haina o mutakra makatum oh so obi afa do machine kosi obi akontwa nti why are they quiet because sika on pedede badotimi twatekrama o se sike twa o Kwaku bi chama se mo ka chama o se kwayo amsi nana obra na awala kobon ezo panyin na chi edadi na chi ehweye na sika ntwo sika twa wa ho ehu chen bibia wa asase so eti ye to aba ye see election year mu a sometimes a year before election year any pay wu ko bisa something Kenya mche Bantman Rivoli bisa no presenters wo krum ha ya bu because of elections something Kenya mche ya bu na man refi in the shirt color ehye no pa ko bisa no otukuma se me boa something Kenya mche obi fra no I mean me say me ma fact and then me say me be ka presenters aye gua won ya bu mu tuo what is America call elections? Emma CNN Republican CNN from Pel Masem. Omuni na for Republicans party mu me want na for bebre me no am catch now. Bebre MPP for they are my friends. Me na for pie MPP for. Cause I want me nyini here. What I'm trying to say. Me buy and when I'm going here. Eti me o share my phone so a. NDC for number so my phone so. You can count them. MPP for uncountable. And one case musu ban phone musu ban born ni adwin fi ni adwin fefio. Ball as wa adwin ti. Aya no mo fere so mo be frɛ me. Omo ya mfro no afro WhatsApp captain. When you tell my first up, so debut. Some of them catch on me, pursue be a bet you. Now, through something Kenya, Miche, ye woman, one bruta. Besides, a party be in Congress, I say. Besides, something Kenya, huh? Why? I had a year fair. Now you're near Chi. Now you're contour. Aditsa okana no tuma ka ye bo no really yeah bono 2007 I remember very well yeah something Kenya mchini no one fe o million no on papa na sum and we think it's normal, it's just like that. It is a way a presenter now. We are say we be can crash the Ghana politician now. Now I set it up trap. And when I do I set it trap. Me stress me stress kwa. Say my concert for me stress kwa. Because for some be like the America for the training no me happy before the training me. Ti wo mu wi abemu am ni move bia. Entra ya me yankrofo bi di president Kufu atem say president Kufu and aden munja say hunu no di. Ah, what are you saying? Nana Kwame ni solo ti we. Say me ko contester. Wo person Nana Kwame ni solo support wan. Normal Kufu is an MPP person. But ti asem na Akufo kan ni ye o se to abati Bawumia pasa akode kotie o se mutie Ghana for sa na ye ti asem o ye tie ni Kufo spoke like a statesman. Or as some no can in an said to Abati Bawumia. Eti, me catch there will be said Kufo will come back. As you on this old man back and channel man back say he owes his presidency to the NPP. Or but him no catch say oh NPP. Party that didn't about power. But ban on mine ye you're the to NPP. Kotie 2 tapes ni ye. Kotie ni ye, kotie Kufo interview ni ye. Tijaisa udi na tem. What ya say? Ye ni na nante. Rollins no kasa Victor Smith na tia say. Ye Kufo kasa ye ni tia say. Bawumia kura tia say. Na na don tia say. Ye ni tia say. Besi Samson Kenya miche. Omgwa no. It was election related. Mewa. Edward Enning. Is it Edward Enning as former Asante regional GJA president? He was shot, pay and killed. Ye bontuo ote tafo Bokrom Junction is on ye. Or a journalist. 2007. Mebwana. President Kufo ne ye osun. We're with him. Why? Obi anim asem kono. Nyama mienu na ba abonten. Yesi otro dodo. Otro den he no otro about Ghana. Sada na omo kan. Number 2, yesi na okope MPD. Ewo MPP. We are MPP ni mini MPP ni. Obi anim no Kennedy Agyapong radio station. Ash FM, Hona no Yajuma, no a news editor. Or Ken. Men kind of bush for ya station, Ash FM 101. Mirafi, Ash FM for frequency. Hey, me apa, first number Kai station be a frequency, Bopanama Bama. Sammy Yini Ottawa, Uja for Puna Juma. Be a kakra. Hey, pay, Yakunu. Moi, 2007. Yakuno. That is why I made me cast one match on for Niaka home. My body pending no friend Bisano. Hey, Roland Walker. Nidini Sadi about Roland. And now, I'm not on TV train. Bisano. My friend, a number of times I go. No. Hey, in that pine. Yeah, Bono. Yeah, Guano. And I am fair. Say, ya bo presenter, ya bo journalist. See, then a journalist here. Or Kasem. But me, I will not sit here and encourage, say, control. No, there be. Chasem to be papaso. And right here, Kasoja for that sem no. Then, as we are baking, my group general manager, Mr. Shandoff, he walked from his office to my office. Na me didi. Oba yobe 2 GH boy, Daniela. JB anyone waka na me catch on say mumpi na me general manager na aba say captain the military story you want to do what is there anything you want, because the thing you are saying is serious. So and I'm catching, so don't worry. So I explained to him without telling him there's a video to it. This is how I operate. Sometimes when I say things, even our lawyer will ask me for some document. Me fama, you do court a lawyer could not be defending me. No, but document no. When I bet bobo. Yeah, but any video on the bomb say bam. Afghan for no be any that. And before sending mention, this is not true. No aircraft has gone to Tamale. It is not true. Even the Kasa aircraft. Ooh, MPP ni. What the Kumasi now was sending me message say Kasa aircraft no kra asai. Etimin kan che central ni se on chantro. Sabi eburu sabi nya he Akufo Addo embusu ni campaign. Me nam catch plane. He Bawumia ya me wofa. Te se me wofa kobrebo nyame wo ho John Bicham Kweku Afro Joseph Kweku Bicham Kwabena Agyarko friend Samuel Jamils or Achimota Central hono di presiding elder e wa Achimota me wofa dum ina di presiding elder Pentecost me na Kweku Bicham di presiding elder sa 57 years Huh? Oh yeah, Bawumia me wofa. Who told you? Come on, vice president. Ewura di Nyankopon. Ka kroma. Ka be do. Who cause sport out to obi ansa kama no. Enu dem dey ka asem keke. Compare. But the point is that me trusting kasa we a presenter, we a journalist, and just write lies about people. No, I don't do that nonsense. And presenter be a kasa. Let's ankoyi ama ban, ankoyi ama oppositioner. Ne ye bon he, mame kasa mo ncho. NDC approve it to me. Some we tolerant. MPP. Where ade Mahama. E okrum ha no ho. Ya nche me wan kura. In 2 years MPP fetch me 39 times. In 2 years. In fear me no, ya che me 1 2 3 20 29 30 35 38 39. In 2 years ya che me 39 times. Ebi o kura my friend is new man obeba no na ye jami. Na me say wo family nam kwan mu kofi o say aha kwadwo. Kwadwo asare kofi a. Na me say Afenyo mo kofi oh on say awu nyambo e kira ti we ja wa. Si nyo we jam. Me ba for that be frame captain. O he am say my frame kwadwo. Say on so frame kwadwo. Kwadwo. Me say new man say wo we ja o. Na me say man pacho ani. Say okay ene. Nanka me ma me say new man lawyer baba o de corner koda. Am ko 39 times. Una wunni na wo say me kwadwo. Me ti ko ba ye una me. Me ye kutu isi o. Ahumudo. Me tenso enyo am ye kutu isi. Bisa wa danfo bi of Central Region say kutu isi che say. Me nkyere mu da we de be si o. Am me ye kutu isi. Ha me tra anka fro. Kwame Nkrumah betra anka for 3 weeks. Me tra anka for 3 years. Me tra anka Kofi police di fie. Me nyem maame na papa. Na anka se no. Ha? Na anka se da asem na America. Kofi police ni fie. Opedi Kofi ba, no ye nana ba. Na anka se do mahene. First. Ni nua ketwa. Ha? Odi Kofi ba. Kwame Nkrumah ba assault phone. The fear na order. Dwin. Na hey. Am ye kutu si. Wo di ane to nchen efia pokuya no wa Adom FM. Okoka dey health insurance. En wasem na me ba Adom nche me nua ba no ye kan hye gotem ewo ezekuto ba bia na me refi bro no ndi. Mo refia pokuya picture mam. Ye kefia pokuya hye gotem kukro. Me bwana come home. About the side, GJ. That is why I keep telling you, it's a useless group. Maybe we have a GJ Mimpe. The reason is that they have their people they can defend. We are journalists now what tilted towards Abayo or Teswa, GJ Pewasem. To GJ President Biano, MPP bar, Ompe Oman PPD, NDC bar, Ompe Oman DC ni. It's me come as no. Na GJ for kwaji mitri get 213,000. I say me accurate o. No my enquasi press conference about me this man. How can a whole GJ Ghana Journalists Association omo from omo central for me koshiem no more issue statement about me this man me do nyame I am the biggest thing in this industry. Wa efia pokuya kana shaminem. Na ye fe say sexual me ye list na ba me pese me heso cause umtrim ye ka chen say sexual ye jene auto no ho te say auto jene haja fati the cars atem no asam ni court na fe MPP from penny phone na machiri na mo pa ya chawo mo Ahmed Suale. Then Kennedy Agyapong ankai about that young man. In any case, let's assume that everything Kennedy Agyapong said about him is true. Should we encourage say Obi Nkunu? Must we encourage that? And the gentleman was shot, pow, killed, just like that. Besine, area saying, Brafie, Dimachi, Peso Dimachi. Opa, ma be a phone line, says and catch your journalist, election related, ya buong, a prawong, a kumbi. Because what? He was talking about a politician. I will hear CNN. I will hear BBC. Most sorry, I must say BBC, CNN, or my professionals. Oh, Roberto. Shall I CNN the Donald Trump? Oh, I CNN the Donald Trump. But you how? I mean, I might check on your doing something. Let's CNN attack your opposition leader. Hey, but what they say? Obia ko CNN. Ewa Atlanta. Ako attack one. Hey, many about if you pukuani. Ya bono. Now I have one in. This lady did nothing. She was doing her professional work. We may have disagreement. Yeah, present Testing General and say we have disagreement, but it doesn't stop us from defending each other. This is a fear pukuya. Edu baby no akura baby oye eduma kura mema wo hokura na twa gan. We did not them. And we think it's funny, it's a joke. Me akoyo Net2 TV FNC. Sa kwa no kwaje Tróuble afedeka ye we dia wan horo ho no oji papa panika akoya ifro ya na yere no wahe esa okopa Tróuble afedeche ka na okuru de ye wa ifro Tróuble afedede o yeso wa hohoro ho ohun ya sakura mfa nkobo nsum mitimi ne cheka so meboa Paul kutaha na misimi kutaha on say wejai sika chane tekrama. As a Paul Aedi. We may have our disagreement, but I can sit here and tell you, say, at no stage of presentation would Paul say, Ubin Kobo Captain Smart. At no point in my presentation would I encourage people or even incite anybody against Paul Addo. No, he will not do that, honestly. Paul will not do that. Because the very last time I'm in the Kojo restaurant, we were East Lagos, or Tehamiswete, and especially the Napampem. Man, I'm sorry, and I'm Kochiano. And I come or shall I cause me as a gray with a down, blue, black, as a say, yeah, sure. I'm sorry, and I'm Kochiano. Minion to say, you, me, here. Just about few seconds or let's say a minute. I went back to sit wherever I was sitting. We exchanged pleasantries. I went back to my table and he also sat there. Very nice girl, Bibe Shiano. Mimi nimne yiritsebia sana yirinde ya fine. That was a nice girl, Bibe Shiano. What I say? So we can have our differences on ideology, opinions, strategies, plans, and how Ghana must grow. We may have divisions in understanding. There's no problem. But Maya yet me also the entire presenter to me because Jimmy. Who be one who says, yeah, dear bro now. Because Tiebra presenter when you ask how the road Ross. Let me have Fabia more home by 2 to me. She presenter sir ya buwong kruma. Because of politics. Me anope na me hwe obi sending me message bi na me catch the pan say she was ill informed because me tikroma kura me nim se sabe eburu sabe nyado en kransa hima okone krechi mente da. But I want to tell you today, this year elections odo saka presented ya yemfa ho nche woda. We don't second journalists be hey, GJ, this is the time. Now yet wanna your friend say, hey, Charlotte say can say media houses no entry for accreditation. I am going to say video. Said no ojina ho simpie so keka na adwenche Charlotte say. Yes say presenters na media houses na be cover main elections no. Edu coalition ne dia presiding officer no onu choose credible media house. Fadin coalition. Sefa is quiet. He's quiet. Me we am pipidio. We am this new. Me kama dwen achrew. He wo sa na ya bo ya ko pap ya ko brim presenter bi we kura bi ase adentra wo ka se krum ho kwan nye. Oh please oh. Because was it last year? Gabby Ochidakoi. Tell them shout was it last year or last 2 years? I don't even remember. I think it was last year 2023. The office was a cantonment so East Lagos. I'm from them coming in the Bokomo and I said something to him. Now let's say, I'll say, how do I manage myself? How do I gather my information? He was talking to me like this. A very beautiful office. He gave me a book. Gabby, thank you for that book. Listen. Do you know why? So bo omai hu baya asase we be protected. But we are presenter no masika di wanim kwaya omai ne be yiwama. Enye nipa de yiwama asase na yiwama. I told him I don't do anything. I read the books everybody is reading. It's the same information we are all presenting. But the difference is that there is a catalog of ideas kept somewhere that I refer to. And I make sure Ghana becomes the first thing on my mind. It's I am in front to me home. Me da won about Facebook be share me na say. I mean, think of it. Sir, this hardship. Na anope yesterday 14.7k views. When we about live wo ho no 5.3 with 1,700 comments. Enipa 926 plus and I share. I like you today. And 151 people and I share show no. Producer up a screenshot na fato. Ufi say dinza. Me kwana me present Ghana. That enipa be sori anopa. Meaning papa bia first na na faba so radio so no. Na on the otchere radio no so. Otchere radio no so. No so Facebook. I say Captain, it's fine. If it is not on radio, I don't mind. I was already watching you on Facebook. It's we are connecting the phone. Now man the car no. And I not the car could be car to say I have told you. I told you. You will not listen. Listen to the sound. Don't watch the video. Pine. Help my member phone like when him to afford do I late because of me. Say I'm no case obi tifio ntimi sorry Net TV no because of person me end 5.4k. Reason in say agiba kwadwo menye nipa bia nchen obi a but I too tell you I am a game changer.
Yo, wait for Winnie and Sama Ababeto Yepno so because se we subscribe to channel ya bomodi ase obe subscribe. We are not fee or like video and give us a thumbs up na fee. Share my offer so na when you be here na wo and somewhere koso e wo Ghana memo. Sanse hadie latest and hot news and kwa Aremeyaw bremo. Ozo betimi atchere wadwen afa yen somewhere nyira ho e wo comment box ni mu. Mo beti minka bio in my next video.
Watching, like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.